Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to simplify complex fractions. So let us take an example here. In this example, we want to evaluate w times x divided by y times z when the values of these variables are given to us. When w is equal to 1/1/3, x is equal to 2 5/8, y is equal to 4 1/2, and the value of z is equal to 3 1/3. So this is what we have. We want to evaluate an algebraic expression which has variables wx and y, wx, y, and z, and the values of these variables are given to us, and we want to simplify this complex fraction. Let us, as a solution, let's put all of this together. Let us substitute the values of these variables into this given expression. How does it look? For w, we're going to substitute 1 1/3 times. For x, we're going to substitute 2 5/8 divided by, for y, we're going to substitute 4 1/2, and then for z, we're going to substitute 3 1/3. So we have substituted all the variables, all the values of the variables into as shown here. In step 2, we're going to simplify the numerator part, and then we'll simplify the denominator part, and then we will simplify the complex fraction. So the numerator part, we have simplify the numerator. NR is short for numerator. So in here we have 1 1/3 times 2 5/8, right? So the way we can simplify that is convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction. How do we do that? We take the denominator of the fraction, multiply to the number on the side, take the product of that, add the number on the numerator, which is 1, divide that whole number by 3. Then the second mixed number we have is 2 5/8. We do it the same way. We convert that mixed number into improper fraction. We take the denominator of the fraction, multiply to the number on the side, take the product of that, add the numerator part to it, which is 5, divide that whole number by 8. So now we simplify this some more. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 divided by 3, times 8 times 2 is 16, plus 5 divided by 8. So when we simplify this, this is going to be 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 3, times 16 plus 5 is 21 divided by 8. Now, as we can see here, we can simplify this a little bit more, and the way to do that is as follows. We said when we have numbers in the numerator and numbers in the denominator which are multiples of one another, we can reduce it some more. So here we have 4 in the numerator, 8 in the denominator. So 8 is a multiples of 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. And then we have a 21 in the numerator and a 3 in the denominator. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 7 is 21. So therefore, this fractions reduced to 1 times 7 divided by 1 times 2, which is going to be 7/2. So that is the numerator part. The numerator simplified to 7/2. Then we look at the denominator where we have 4 1/2 times 3 1/3. So in step 2, we're going to take the denominator part 4 1/2 times 3 1/3. So we'll simplify this. So we do the same type of deal. We have mixed numbers, we want to convert them into improper fractions. So 2 is in the denominator, take the number 2, multiply to the number on the side, take the product of that, add it to the numerator part, and then divide the whole thing by 2 times the second mixed number we have is 3 1/3. So we take the denominator, multiply to the number on the side, take the product of that, and then add it to the numerator part, divide that whole thing by the denominator part, which is 3. So we simplify some more. So this is 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 divided by 2 times 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 divided by 3. So this simplifies to 8 plus 1 is 9 divided by 2 times 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 3. Now as we can see, we can simplify this some more. When we have numbers in the numerator and numbers in the denominator which are multiples of one another, we can reduce it some more. 9 is the multiples of 3. We have a 9 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. We have a 10 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. 10 is the multiples of 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10. So therefore, we can write this as 3 times 5 divided by 1 times 1. 3 times 5 is 15, 1 times 1 is 1. So the denominator reduced to 15 over 1. So in our next step, step number 3, we put the numerator part, which is 7 over 2. We write the denominator part, and we write the denominator part. We write the numerator part, which was 7 over 2, and we write the denominator part, which is 15 over 1. So we want to simplify this. As we mentioned in our previous examples, when we have a fraction divided by another fraction, we write the numerator part of the fraction as is, 7 over 2. We convert the division into multiplication, and then we take the denominator of the fraction. We take the fraction in the denominator, 15 divided by 1, and we write the reciprocal of that. The reciprocal of 15 over 1 is 1 over 15. So we're going to write this one as 1 over 15, like that. So therefore now we multiply the numerators, which is 7 times 1, multiply the denominators, which is 2 times 15. 7 times 1 is 7, 2 times 15 is 30. So this is how this particular complex fraction reduces to. It reduces to 7 over 30. So this is the way we want to simplify complex fractions. In my next presentation, we shall see some more examples as to how to simplify complex fractions.